Simply stated, this one-of-a-kind, tastefully renovated home features breathtaking panoramic Hudson River and Riverside Park views from every window. This spacious home is actually 2 apartments, which have been flawlessly joined in a gut renovation that provides an open and airy space with flow, views, light, and privacy. Enjoy watching sailboats, sunsets, and the changing color of the leaves in this modern layout, which invites you to entertain grandly or just to enjoy your renovated dream home. The living dining room and open kitchen all directly face the powerful river views. The terrific modern kitchen has stone countertops, terrific storage, and Sub-Zero, Bosch, and other stainless steel appliances. The luxurious primary suite features a huge, custom-fitted dressing room and an ensuite bathroom with an oversized walk-in shower, a Toto washlet toilet, and a towel warmer. At the opposite end of the home, there is an enormous and flexible room with a hidden queen-size bed and translucent floating doors, which can serve as a primary or secondary bedroom, or is currently furnished, a grand second living room. There's also a bonus den office study. Special features include beautiful, new light wide plank wood floors, through-wall air conditioners, phenomenal storage throughout, a walk-in pantry, plus smartly designed built-in display areas, pocket doors, and even electronic window shades. Move right in. Schwab House is a fully serviced cooperative on the Upper West Side, one of the most desirable, vibrant, beautiful, and historic residential neighborhoods in Manhattan. It is conveniently located around the corner from Fairway, Citarella, Trader Joe's, the Beacon Theater, and the 1, 2, and 3 subway lines, and just across the street from Riverside Park with its playgrounds, bicycle paths, sports fields, and dog runs. For in addition to wonderful shopping venues and great restaurants, it is a very short distance to Lincoln Center and multiple cinemas. Schwab House features on-site management and 24-hour doorman, concierge, handyman, and garage, plus a gym, playroom, 2 luxuriously landscaped roof decks with panoramic views, a bike room, lending library, and an air-conditioned modern lobby. This great home is easily shown by appointment. Contact Dean Feldman to schedule yours.